Delays in major flagship projects are expected. A recent Rappler article raised concerns about further setbacks in the completion of key railway projects. Motoring Forum takes a closer look at these issues. A recent Rappler article raises concerns about further delays in the completion and operation of the Metro Manila Subway project, or MMSP, and the North-South Commuter Railway, or NSCR. The article identifies potential causes of these delays, emphasizing the recent change in leadership at the DOTR. Former Transportation Secretary Jaime Bautista resigned amid growing concerns over project delays. His successor, Vince Dizon, now faces the challenge of expediting these major railway and infrastructure projects. The delays primarily stem from legal complications related to right-of-way compensation. While still at the helm of the DOTR, Bautista had already flagged these issues.
There was one instance that the OTR took over a property without full payment, and ADB called our attention in writing. No? So we want to see to it that we comply with the provisions of the loan agreement.
However, some observers believe that the legal consultation he sought from the Department of Justice has caused more confusion than clarity. In essence, international funding bodies such as the Japan International Cooperation Agency and the Asian Development Bank require full compensation for individuals or entities involved in right-of-way agreements before construction can begin. However, Philippine law allows for incremental payments based on property clearance. The DOJ's opinion suggested that loan agreements with international donors must comply with certain legal conditions, potentially conflicting with Philippine law, particularly Republic Act 10752, also known as the Right-of-Way Act. Newly appointed Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon is now tasked with expediting the MMSP and NSCR and has already received his marching orders from the President.
Sabi ng Pangulo natin, kailangan pabilisin kasi hirap na yung mga kababayan natin, and then they need these projects to go online as quickly as possible.
However, the statements have not yet provided a clear, actionable path to resolve the challenges posed by conflicting legal interpretations of right-of-way compensation. The clash between international obligations from JICA and ADB and local legislation remains unresolved. The Metro Manila Subway is estimated to cost 488.5 billion pesos, with significant funding from JICA, while the NSCR is projected to cost around 870 billion pesos, supported by loans from ADB and JICA. There are concerns that further delays could drive up costs. Moreover, failure to meet JICA and ADB's compensation requirements could jeopardize the entire funding structure, undermining years of planning and negotiations. Additionally, the operational timeline is at risk. The Metro Manila Subway, originally set to begin operations in 2025, may now be delayed until 2029, a stark indicator of the severe impact caused by unresolved legal issues. The NSCR, which was slated for partial operation by December 2027, faces delays that could push its opening to the final stretch of the current administration. In conclusion, while these ambitious infrastructure projects are commendable, their current trajectory is far from ideal. To truly fast-track these initiatives, the DOTR must prioritize clear communication, diligent negotiation, and constructive engagement with all stakeholders. Resolving these legal complexities and aligning Philippine policies with international standards is essential not only for the immediate progress of the MMSP and NSCR, but also for the long-term success of the country's infrastructure projects. This situation underscores the complex relationship between local laws and international agreements, highlighting significant implications for transportation development in the Philippines. Moving forward, greater coordination between the DOTR and the DOJ is urgently needed to prevent further setbacks. Filipinos are counting on subway and railway projects to bring lasting improvements to public transportation. It is crucial for authorities to address these challenges with urgency and transparency.